In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front plate bracket on this Cadillac SRX. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the old license plate bracket. If you don't have a bracket, you can skip this step. We're going to take a drill bit and just drill out the rivets. Doesn't really matter the size as long as the drill is bigger than the hole in the rivet. Just pop them off like that. And grab the plate bracket and slide it off. Now if you didn't have a plate bracket before, you want to see where the top is. There's an indent right here. You want to line that up with the center. And then you can see on the sides, this is going to go under that lip right there. So with that lined up there, just want to take a marker and mark where all the holes are. Just like that. You can pull this down and then you can drill your holes. You want to find some rivets and drill the holes just slightly bigger than the rivets. These holes are too small. You could also hold the plate bracket up and drill your holes. Double check, make sure those fit. That's good. And we're going to do that for the other three. And put all the rivets in. That's lined up good. I'm using a rivet gun. Pop the rivets. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.